So I'm out here today and the plan is to clean up this woods line. So that's pretty self-explanatory. You know, a lot of this stuff is like small weeds, a couple small trees. And we're going all the way around the corner and along this back woods line. You know, so we'll be able to push back here quite a bit too. And then clean up around this brush pile here. And push that corner back also. Can go back quite a ways. Alright, so I got my skid steer here, TL8. And I'm running a 72-inch brush cutter. It's like I just all of a sudden lost hydraulic power to the mower. It's got plenty of fluid in it. It's sitting on a hill, so it's reading a little high here. Alright, so I just pulled this cover here. I think we may be extremely lucky. It looks like maybe it's just a shear pin that broke. Right there's a pin. So let me see if I can get one put back together, and that's got to be the problem. A bolt. It broke the bolt clean off. Alright, I don't know if it's really a good idea to put a grade 8 bolt in here, but that's all I had. Reason being is now it's going to take a lot more to shear this off. Just try to be careful with it. Alright, cool. That had me worried for a second. I thought the Takeuchi had let me down there. But we're good. so I got some wood stuck in here, and you can definitely feel that it's stuck whenever you're running the thing. It has a pretty good vibration in it. There's still a little bit in there, but I think it'll work its way out now. Alright, well, I'm going to kind of end this video here. That was a lot, got a lot done. Still got a little bit to do along this back of the pond here, but save that for another day. I'll get to it. You know, you can pretty much, it's pretty much endless on how clean you want to get it. If you want to spend a lot of time like stuff like this, you could zip that on off at the ground and definitely mulch all this stuff up. But you know, this is acceptable for now. Everything went pretty well with the exception of this. Check this out. I hit that piece of metal there. I'll be surprised if I didn't really damage the mower, because it's not mowing smooth at all after I hit this thing. I mean, it was a great idea to leave a railroad tie right in the middle of the woods. I would have done the same thing. This has got to weigh 60 pounds, and it threw it 10 feet from the base of this tree. God, dog. Look at that. That's probably gonna need some attention right there. Looks like I got a little bit of work to do on this thing. And like stuff like this, you can't see this when you're mowing. I'm just now noticing all this stuff. But I guess that's the price you pay whenever you're mowing brush.